Alright guys, this is the best part, touching slime. It feels cold, gooey, and super stretchy. Like holding jelly that never breaks apart.
Yeah, and even if you pour slime on your head, it won't get stuck in your hair. It just slides right off.
Good thing, because Mary's almost dumped it on me.
Slime is awesome because you can shape it into anything, like a ball, a snake, or even pretend food. Some kids even use cookie cutters to make slime pizzas or stars.
And if you get creative, you can invent your own games, like who can stretch their slime the longest without breaking. Who can make the loudest slime pop sound.
Watch this. It's like spider coming up in your eyes. It's so sticky.
Tip for you guys, if slime feels too sticky, add a little more activator, like contact solution. If it's too hard, add lotion to make it soft again.
So you get to play with different like textures of slime here.
Yeah.
And this is the thick and glossy slime.
Oh, and did you know? There are so many types of slime. Butter slime that feels smooth, cloud slime that's fluffy, and crunchy slime that makes popping sounds.
I want them all!
In 2025, we came back here, and making slime was still just as fun as before.
Sloomoo never gets old. Every visitor is full of squishy fun and crazy cool experiences.
Bye-bye.